You said you wouldn't let the mask tempt you. But it feels so good. No one cared who I was until I put the mask on. I need a weapon. No. 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 Yes, yes. No. Yes. Michael? I was just messing around, having some fun. I had some better concepts like Michael kills a Camaro SS or Mustang 5.0. I also don't have anybody to film for me or nice little camera setups around the car to catch any good quality. I should set the skeleton up in my front yard. Growing a beard is itchy.